Hi, today I'd like to show you a feature in our Naviate Pipe Functions, a simple task to renumber and rename our structures. Here you can clearly see we have a whole host of problems. I'm going to use our renaming structures module in Naviate Pipe to rename each one of the structures, give it a prefix of what system it's in, and we have the option to come from the alignment, an existing polyline, or to draw your polyline on the fly. We have the option then to rename all the structures in the network or individually. We can also determine whether or not we would like to name null structures as well. Simply by selecting the path of the structures that we would like to rename and renumber, we can come through and very quickly rename all the structures in our system. Right afterwards, we can come back and use our Rename Pipe by Structure feature, which allows us to name all of our pipes based off of a prefix, interfax, or suffix from our upstream to downstream. In this case, I'm just going to put 2 as my interfax and label all the pipes in the network. Now when we export out to Storm and Sanitary Analysis for our hydraulic review, all of our pipes will show where each one of our structures go to.